Hi, third grade. Today we are going to do lesson 5.2, which is all about finding the missing number. Okay, so what we're doing here is we have some of our basic math facts, some of our basic multiplication facts, and we have to think to ourselves, something times 3 equals 12. So how many groups of 3 would I have in 12? Well, I would have 4 groups of 3 because 4 times 3 equals 12. So you're just really seeing what am I multiplying 3 by to make 12. So if I were doing this one, S times 8 equals 64. Well, I need to think, how many groups of 8 are there in 64? You can also ask yourself, 8 times what makes 64? Knowing my multiplication facts, I know that 8 times 8 is 64. So my missing number is 64. So these are all using a basic multiplication chart. So if you need to grab one to get the hang of it, that's totally fine. You're just figuring out how many groups of 8 there are in each thing. So for example, let's do one more as a little sample. Here's a multiplication chart. So you can use one if you really need help. So let's say I'm just solving this problem, 3 times 8. That's just a basic multiplication problem, but it has a missing number. The answer is just our missing number. So since we have both of our factors, we're just going to multiply those to get our answer. So here's my 3s, here's my 8s, and I'm going to find that when they meet in the middle, they meet at 24. So my answer is 24. Okay? If I were doing this next one that is 5 times something equals 35, well, I'm going to go along my 5s until I get to 35. And then when I go up to the top, I notice, oh, that's 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. So you can use your multiplication chart to help you with all of these. If you have the answer, then you're just going to go along that other factor until you get to the number, the product, and you go up and you see what that answer is. So going back to the one we just did, we did S times 8 equals 64. Well, if I go along my 8s, oh, let me fix that so you can see it better. So since I'm missing one of my factors, I'm going to go along my 8s until I get to 64. Oh, there's 64. And I go all the way up to the top to see what my missing factor is, and it is 8. I hope you have a great day in math. Goodbye.